So to my back on the stage, my leading lady. My girlfriend. My girlfriend. Give it up for Nadine, who's there?
Gusto ko lang malaman ha, kasi kanina, nagtataka ako kasi this is your first movie na official na kayo na. So, how was it working with your loved one? Ikaw muna, James.
It's sweet. It's saya. Actually, mas masaya ngayon.
Wow!
Tsaka like what we always say, pagka kunyari morning yung call time, ganyan, dati tamad ka pumunta ng set, parang ahang-aga, ayoko pang magtrabaho. But ngayon, parang siso, uy, salamat na trabaho, makikita ko siya.
Alam mo, grabe ka dyan.